Okay, this is the controversial BBFFU Broke Boy Fan Filter Unit. As you can see, it's well used. Literally, it is two furnace filters. A MERV 13 in the front and a MERV 7 in the back. Literally just taped and taped and taped with duct tape, as you can see. If you're gonna make one of these, you gotta make sure that you get the fan with the control on the top. Okay. It is literally that simple to make. It takes about maybe 10 minutes tops of labor. And the only thing that I would say to look out for is that on the sides of these filters, there are arrow indicators. And you want to make sure that you attach these filters so that the arrow is facing the flow of air. So this back filter, you want it to be facing the fan, and the front filter, you want to be facing outward. And that's it, guys. It works absolutely amazing. Don't listen to the naysayers. I've used one of these for a couple years now. It works great. Look, I even have an actual FFU hood, a literal hood, and I still use this. That's how good they work. Happy cultivating.